So we finally have some beautiful weather here in the DFW area. It's been raining non-stop for days, and we're headed over to my neighbor Jimmy. It's technically a neighborhood away, but we're heading over to Jimmy's right now. Got a brand new product to install. Well, it's brand new to us, on Tim's car, on his C8, something from EOS Extreme Online Store, and honestly, I'm very excited about it. So let's get over there and get this product installed. Today, we have another install brought to you by EOS Extreme Online Store. And those of you who own C8 Corvettes or Corvettes in general, you know we love to modify our Corvettes. So this is going to be going on my friend Tim. You guys know Tim. He's got the Blade Silver C8 Corvette. We did the high wing or the mid wing from EOS just recently. Well, now we have diffuser fins, and it's really going to change the look of the back of his car. So stay tuned. All right, let's go ahead and get this box opened. I'm going to practice safety first for once, I think. We'll try. So it does come with hardware. And then we'll take a quick look at these diffuser fins. And these are the Carbon Flash Black. All right, let's get these things installed, man. I'm excited to see what they look like once they're in. All right, so these are the mechanically inclined guys. I, on the other hand, am not mechanically inclined. So we got Bugs Bunny over here, and we got the Joker over here, and a really bright light right here.
It's two turrets.
But what we're doing is we are, like I said, installing diffuser fins. I just wanted to kind of show you the before. And obviously, if you have a C8, you're already aware of the before if you don't have diffuser fins. But I feel like this is really smooth and kind of boring. It's not bad, but I think it can definitely be enhanced. And the diffuser fins have always been one of my favorite parts to go on the back of a Corvette in general. And it is going to definitely enhance this car. All right, guys, so we have a couple of them on. However, we made some changes to make this work a little easier and better, and I'm going to let Tim tell you about that.
So the screws that come with these would screw in here and here. So it's extremely difficult to get in here. I mean, you can't even hardly get your hand in here. So trying to get a screw started from behind there and then getting into the head to get it tightened down, we think it's going to be impossible.
There's no way, no.
Yeah. So what we did is we ran over to Home Depot and got some screws and made some little studs. So when we place it on here, it just simply goes through the holes. I'm not going to put it in there right now, but anyway, just it goes through the holes in this vent back here so that we can get, there it is, so we can get inside to put nuts on the back. We found putting nuts on there is way easier than trying to get these little screws in, because then we can just get a wrench up in there, a little socket, to tighten those things down.
Absolutely.
And what you'll need is these. It's 4mm by 0.7, and we did 12mm, which is just slightly shy of a ½ inch. Cut the head off of them, screwed them in, put Loctite on them so they won't back out. And then it didn't even come with screws for these. These are the ones that go up underneath that screw into this part. Didn't even have screws, so we picked up a little bag of screws for that too, just a little bag of sheet metal screws.
Fantastic. So I don't know if you can see, but Jimmy's trying to get in there. You can see there's another.
There's no way to ever put a screw in this thing.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see right there underneath his pinky. There's another one they just got in. You see those two right there? You can see them, but yeah, that's what you're trying to, get your screw on into. So it makes it a lot easier to do it this way because you can feel the post sticking out, and then just put that nut over the top.
Copper metallic. That's the name of the paint.
All right, guys, so this is the final product. And once again, we just want to reiterate about the putting the post inside the screw so that you can reach in and just put the nut or the bolt on the other end, the nut on the other end, and that makes a huge difference. Now, mainly because Tim still has stock exhaust and that muffler sticks so far out. I know on like Jimmy's car and my car, you have a little more space to put your hands up inside there. As if you look at Jimmy's, he's got the MBRP exhaust, so there's a little more room to fit your hand up inside here. So it might not make it as tough, okay? But if you're back to the stock exhaust, Tim said, man, we would have been here for 2 more hours trying to get that completed. But anyway, just a little word of advice. But you are certainly welcome to do however you want, but this is the finished product. And honestly, I think they look fantastic. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Again, EOS Extreme Online Store coming in with the win. But that's going to do it. So, you guys ready for lunch?
Let's go.
I know they're going to eat. I'm not going to say where, but it'll be a cool restaurant. So anyway, but these are looking good. That's it. You guys have a great week. Thanks for watching.